They made my job super easy.
It was fantastic. It felt very familial and communal and we were all super protective over each other. It was great.
They were really dedicated to like nurturing us as filmmakers. It was really nice.
I think that it's the one that called to us the loudest.
Or plagued us the most.
That's good. Our lived experiences, I think.
Yeah, definitely our lived experiences growing up in Southern Baptist megachurch culture. A lot.
Plenty.
What shouts out to mine first is Sterling singing along to Jasmine Sullivan while we were in between takes.
Yeah.
It was really important for me to highlight that this isn't just a critique. We were also showing the beauty and like the reverence for organized religion and for Christianity, because it's not just all one thing.